happy 60th birthday. I wish you all the best. Sana alagaan mo pa rin ang sarili mo para kahit tayo'y matanda na, hindi ka magbago. Stay as sweet as you are. I love you. Happy birthday again. All the best. Sana ingatan mo laging sarili mo para laging malakas. And we will walk together and go holiday together. Yun. Have a wonderful day. Love you. Bye.
It's like 6 a.m. Anyways, happy birthday, Dad. I hope you can't hear me at the moment. Happy 60th, Pa. Thank you for all your patience, love and care. I don't know what else to say. Surprise. Okay, enjoy the video.
Happy 60th birthday! Have a great day!
Happy birthday. 1, 2, ready. Go. Sing. Happy birthday, Alex. Happy birthday, Alex. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Alex. Happy birthday,
Palakpakan!
Palakpakan! Welcome to the club! Happy birthday! Sa'yo ang pulutan, sa'yo ang kinuan. Happy birthday! Let's go! Sana'y malating mo kami! John! Sana maging healthy ka na. Wala na yung gout mo.
Christian na lang may gout.
Ninang. Pabebe.
Picture Ninang.
Mamaya na lang. Doon na lang sa mama.
Tayo namin yung taon.
Mapandog ka naman.
May namin ulit gout. May palit son. Baga ninilaw. May palit son.
Kahit malit. Kahit malit lang.
Happy birthday. Na.
Hindi siya maririnig dyan. Malayo na siya. Ni solo na yan.
Sana makita ko kayo.
Happy birthday, Alex.
Happy birthday, Alex! Welcome to the club. Wala ka ng rayuma, ha?
Happy birthday, Alex. Ano na? Senior na. Happy birthday, Alex. Oh. Pupunta ba kami dito? May ano?
Happy birthday! Yay!
Happy birthday, Alex! Happy senior! God bless you and more birthdays to come. Kamuti, kain tayo.
Mag-account 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Alex!
Love you. Happy senior citizen.
Birthday ang kala, Alex.
Welcome to the 20% Club.
Birthday ang kala, Alex.
Kamsahamnida.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Stay healthy and may you have more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Lolo Alex. Happy birthday, Uncle Alex.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lolo Alex. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Uncle Alex.
We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday and many more years.
Yay! Birthday, Lola. Apo ni Lola!
Alex, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Uncle Alex. Member ka na ng 20% discount sa Pilipinas.
Happy birthday, Lola Alex.
Hi Uncle Alex. Happy birthday Uncle. God bless you. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthdays sa mga susunod na taon. Ingatan mo lagi ang sarili mo at saka maging masaya ka. Kahit kahit may nararamdaman sa katawan, alagaan po ang sarili Uncle. Huwag magpapagod at saka wag kakain ng mga bawal. Ayan. Stay healthy. Ayan. Happy birthday Uncle. Sige.
Alam mo na.
Birthday mo pa.